So let's move into a time of meditation. And with that, the spirit of the song that we just heard, I want us to all focus on being the light. And you can hold someone's name in your heart right now if you'd like, or the names of people, and just be that light. So let's just take a deep breath in and release. Another deep breath in and release. We are light. We are pure light. In the chair where we sit, in the place where we stand, we are light. Imagine, if you will, with me, that there is a small flame right here in your solar plexus, just underneath your belly button. And you're giving that light, that small flicker of light, all the love you can muster. I would imagine that in this moment you feel an extra sense of warmth. So continue to love on that spark of light and let it grow. You can feel that light beginning to span across your midsection and begin to rise up towards your heart space. Warm, loving energy expanding as you in this moment. And as that light expands within you, it emanates from you. You feel that warmth, that light moving down to the soles of your feet, connecting with the core of the earth. You are grounded, centered, poised, strong, fully present to the immense light, power, energy that you are. And you imagine that light to move up through the core of your being, up through your spine, into your extremities and the fingertips, and you lift your arms up and you allow that light to flow through your crown chakra and meet the sun. You are light. And that light that you are is divine. So in that essence of light that you are right now, simply be it. Simply be it. In the silence. How does it feel? Does it remind you of a time when you were embraced by the most loving spirit you've ever known? Does it remind you of your favorite comforter, your favorite blanket? Does it remind you of a warm wave washing over you? Does it remind you of the smell of your favorite dessert or cup of coffee? What does it remind you of? That light that brings a smile to your face, that brings joy to your heart, that allows you to feel so expansive and so broad and so wide that you can hardly get enough of it. Allow that feeling to be you today, in this moment. Accept it. Allow it. Cherish it. Love it. Be it. Be the light. And whosever name you held in your heart, know that they are also the light as well. And so it is.